Good morning, everybody. This is Mike from Red's Raw Honey. I just wanted to do a little video here. It's kind of bad weather outside, so I want to show you what I do to get the bees to draw your comb much faster. And it's very easy to do. I got this crock pot from Walmart, really cheap. And just remember this: once you use your crock pot for wax, it stays for wax. I have beeswax here. I have a roller. This is a foam roller that I got from Lowe's. I have a little paint tray, plastic paint tray here. And of course, I have yellow foundations for my mediums. And I do have some black ones I'm going to do. So what we're going to do is turn this on high. Turn it on high. Put our wax in. Put our top on. And we're going to let her cook. So I'll let that go a while, then we'll be right back. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. I need more subscribers. Really help out. I appreciate everyone who says subscribed. I'm getting more videos out, which is great, and I want to thank everybody for that. So I'm going to pause this, and we will be back in just a little bit. See you then. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I have the wax all melted down. And I'm going to do the orange ones or yellow. You won't see as much on here. And so I'm just going to get this wet. A little wax on there. And all you got to do is give it some roll a couple times. And that's all you have to do. Then I'm going to set it over here on top of that. Get some more wax. So I'm rolling one side first, and I'll let it dry good. Now what this will do is, it'll make the bees will be able to draw this out a lot faster. So you draw a comb easier with this extra wax. And these foundations I have do have the extra wax on them. So I'm just adding to that. So this will really help your bees. You want to help them out. So now let's switch over to the black right here. And you see I already got some wax on it. I used a wax bar of mine, a beeswax, and put more on there. But we're going to roll it on now. And get it good and thick. Because I like to put a lot on there. Some people just put one roll on it and call it good. I put a couple. Now this one you can turn over because the frame's on it, and the frame keeps it up off the ground or off the table. Simple as that. Now you can also take this wax. I'm going to set this aside. I've got let me show you what I got here. I got a spacer. And this spacer is just made out of pine. It's just a spacer I can put in there and feed fondant. But I can take it and roll the beeswax on it. Just like that. And there you go. Now, it's got a coating of beeswax. or you can paint it, but I got beeswax on all my stuff. So, I don't want to be too redundant. I'm going to go ahead and, I got one more to do. Let's do that, and we'll call her a day. Now, I had this on high, and it melted pretty quick. I just got tied up doing some other things. Wasn't able to get back here. So now we'll do the other sides. And then all I have to do is shut off my crock pot. The wax will harden. And be ready for the next time. So if you just take a little bit of time, wax your foundations, you'll see the bees will love you, and you'll draw a lot more comb. And it'll be a lot easier for the bees to draw comb, and you'll have a much better output. But it's that simple. So, short video, I know, but I'm inside today. I really need to do some things in my hives. I got another nuke of bees yet a couple days ago, and I need to move them into one of my hives, but it's just too cold and dreary out. So there you have it, guys. Extra wax, both sides. Let it dry up. It's all done. We'll shut this off. Let that strainer sit right like that. Drip off. There you go, guys. So that's it from here. Mike from Red's Raw Honey. And I really appreciate it if you'll subscribe and make a comment, like. Still building the channel. I appreciate all the subscribers I've got. And thank you for watching. If you got any ideas what you'd like to see, let me know. Try and work it in. But this is my bee room here, and it's packed full of stuff. It's an old bedroom that we're not using, and I just made it into a bee room. All right, guys, that's it from here. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.